Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to transfer your money from Binance to bank account. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and go to Binance.com. Now, once you're in here, hover over trade. Now, go ahead and click on convert and block trade. Okay. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and select the coin that you would like to convert as money. For example, I have here USDT. I'm just going to keep it to USDT. I'm going to max it out. Just for this example, it says here to, okay, from USDT to, let's say, USD. Okay, just go and find USD, US dollar, like so. Now, once that's done, again, let's max it out. And this amount, or for this amount of USDT, you will receive this amount of USD. So you're going to want to click on preview and make sure that you have verified your account. Okay, click on preview, follow simple prompts. And once that's done, once that's completed, go ahead over to your wallet right here, click on spot, and then you're going to want to click on withdraw. Okay, click on it. Now in here in the left panel, just click on withdraw fiat, like so. Select the currency. Of course, we have selected USD, so we're going to go ahead and look for USD right here. Click on it, select the receiving method or the transfer method. Okay, and just hit on continue, follow simple prompts, and just wait for the amount to reflect your bank account. So the other option is by going to trade, a P2P right here. Click on it. Now, P2P, make sure that you click on sell. Okay. And in here, for example, we would like to sell USDT, and you will receive it for this currency, for example, USD. Click on it. You could also filter the payment methods that are available in here. If not, you can just go ahead and look for the payment methods available for the or for each buyer. Okay, so for example, you have here FaceBank International. So this buyer right here, for each USDT, pays 1.036 USD. So if you like this offer, just click on sell USD or USDT. Max it out if you want to. Select the payment method, plus sign, enter the card details, confirm, and then sell. Okay, that's about it. That's how easy it is to transfer money from Binance to bank account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.